Boys and girls, Alex here again. I'd like to introduce you to my Festool, I believe they call it a vacuum clamp. To me that's a bit of a misnomer. It's not as much a clamp as you would understand it. It's more like a helping hand, especially when you're working by yourself. It happens to have a import that you plug into your vacuum cleaner, suction pad, and you can then attach it to the wall to hold things up for you. Look, the power of this is not great, but it's nice to, if you want to lay something out and you need that extra support, it might be exactly what you need, especially when Swambo isn't around to hold the piece of wood at the other end. Now, I will add to this point that I do have the Grabo, and I will be using the Grabo to help me make this video, but rest assured that you wouldn't need the Grabo if I wasn't trying to demonstrate and control a camera. Now it has this filleted design, so you can then pull it apart, as you can see, and that way you can rest something on there without it falling off the wall. Now, what you need, and we'll zip the camera in. I happen to be using just a Ryobi vacuum pump. Nothing startling, but the important thing is you do need to make sure that your dust hose will fit the Festool gizmo. So I'll move the camera up and then we'll see how it works. Okay, here we go. For this though, the unfortunate thing is you need a relatively flat surface, and I haven't really got a big enough area or flat area in this house to demonstrate, so I'm just going to use the kitchen wall. It's got wallpaper on it, it's rough as guts, so the holding power is not going to be great, but hopefully it'll give you an idea. Hang on, just make sure I've got this right. It will give you a rough idea of how it works. Okay, let's turn the dust extractor on. You may notice I've got the Grabo on the other end. As soon as I turn the vac off, this one falls off. Now, as I said, normally you'd secure it on one end and the other end, naturally, unless you have two of these, I'm now using the Grabo so I can then demonstrate how it works. As I said, turn the vacuum on and place it on the wall. I'll turn the Grabo let's move it over to the brick wall. Just to demonstrate, look, it's not great on the brick wall. Let's make sure I put it on the right brick. However, you may see that, look, well, the brick's very porous, so I really can't expect miracles. However, look, I'll try and get a brick that doesn't look as porous as most of them, which is hopefully that one there. I'll turn on the shop vac, put it on and see if it actually holds. Now, I've got no idea what the strength of that's going to be. I might see if it holds my spirit level, but we'll see. I doubt it. It does hold it, but wouldn't take too much to pop it. As you can see, well, I don't know, after I edit it, we'll see what you will see, but the first time I put it on, I didn't have enough room there. When I pushed the spirit level down, it just pushed this off the wall like that and it popped off. Now look, I'll try it on my melamine door and see how much difference it makes. The problem is it's bloody hard to talk with all that noise, but let's see. Not that you're going to be balancing cans of asparagus on your bloody wall, but hell, look, as I said, it's not the greatest, but then having said that, it is relatively cheap. I think it was about $30 or $40, I don't know. It's not that you often get a Festool sale because they're very tight ass on their bargains. I've only just used it a few times, and again, bear in mind, I did buy this before I bought the Grabo. However, having said that, there's just no way known, let's get back to here, I could put the Grabo, where are we? Right, here we go. No way known I could put the Grabo on the brick wall. Now, this just manages the brick wall. Look, you're not going to be hanging cupboards on there to bloody drive nails or whatever, but you can at least hang something to draw out lines, to get the measurements, get a horizontal line. Once you've got the line that's horizontal, you can then maybe cut a piece of timber or something to actually support what you need to support. It's an ideal hand to give you that little extra measurement that you might need. Okay, the intention of this was just to make you aware of this unit, because all I know is that most people that come into my workshop say, shit, I've never seen that before, and I can gladly say to them, well, you can't bloody say that again, because now you have. Alright, boys and girls, you've seen it, you either like it or you don't like it. Catch you later and keep safe.